Hey Cleavon, how does it feel to be 5 years old? Okay, so guys, Cleavon just finished celebrating his 5th birthday, and we're going to be posting that video shortly, so make sure you check it out. So now we had so much snow outside. Let's go take a look, guys. So it snowed all night and also this morning. So C-Rex, myself, and Mommy, we're gonna shovel snow. And Cleavon, you sure you don't want to come to shovel snow with us? You wanna go? You wanna come? All right, guys, let me go see if those guys are ready then. Since Cleavon says I should get out of his face immediately, and I do like to obey. Hey, what's up, guys? Oh, are you guys ready to shovel? All right, fine. Can't you guys just say hi, have some manners? Fine. Pink. Hey, C-Rex, I want that pink shovel. Okay, guys, so I can't find my gloves, so hopefully it's in the car. Are you guys done yet? What do you mean? What do you mean not done? C-Rex, I thought you were some super shoveler. Hey, you, Lizzie, how about you?
How about you? Started it already?
Come on, I've been shoveling this place for ages. It's your turn to do some work around here. And you too. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. This is just insane. Wow. So, let me, the roof of the car is pretty, there's a lot of snow. I mean, some of it melted because it's very sunny. And it's not too cold today. You can see, guys, we've been blanketed. It snowed all night. And also today, as I said before. So you can see here, the snow is like right up to, close to the doors, right to the wheel. Alright, come on, haven't you guys finished yet? Come on, get moving, will ya? Okay, let me see if my glove is inside the car. Why does this thing open? It doesn't want to open. Let me try again. Kick, kick, kick. Huh. It doesn't want to open, guys. I'll do the old-fashioned way. Alright, guys. Oh, my battery's not dead. Oh, my glove is here. You're right. Alright, here's my gloves. Oh, I missed you, gloves. I'm going to help these guys shovel, because they don't seem like they knows how to shovel a good snowfall. Come on, C-Rex. Get out of my way, will ya? Alright, guys. I'm not going to stop until this thing opens. Here we go again. Kick, 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 kick.
I'm into it. You're gonna work on my foot.
Okay. Go with your big foot. Oh my gosh, it doesn't open. I think the sensor is blocked. So guys, I had to use the keys to open the car. And there's a lot of snow on it. That's the reason why I think it didn't open. And I think there's gonna be a lot of snow falling off the roof. Okay, so let's get this. Okay, watch your head, guys. I know your head to get slammed and then I get sued. Okay, watch out. Oh! Whoa! Alright, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a hand. But I don't think you guys know how to shovel. Jeez. Come on. C-Rex, don't let her throw snow in your face. Throw some snow on Mommy, quick. Come, C-Rex, throw some snow on Mommy.
I'm not throwing snow on Mommy.
Okay, throw some snow on me then.
No.
Oh, okay. I thought you're gonna do that. Okay, it's time for the roof, guys. Okay. Whoa. Sorry, guys. I know you guys just did the some of the spots. What's so sunny and nice? Oh, you're so strong. So guys, you also got to be careful of the ice that's upstairs there. Well, on the roof. You don't want it falling on your head. Because you'll be in some trouble. You don't want your head getting busted. Huh? I'm sorry? Yeah, I can. I just...
How you doing?
Let me show you.
Look, big eye.
So Lizosaurus is sticking over the car cleaning or car clearing duties. I'm impressed, guys. Excuse me. Don't scratch it up. Come on. Put some elbow grease in it, will ya? C-Rex. Oh no. You guys already cleared this, but because I took some off the roof, then now look, it's all on the ground again. Come on, guys. Pick it up. Pick up the pace. You should be done by now. And I'm gonna teach you another trick, honey. Here, let me take up the wiper. Yeah. So pick this up, and then you can use this edge. Honey, look. You can use this edge and scrape it out. But yeah, just do your thing. You can do that later. You can do the roof first. Then you'll get paid later. C-Rex, are you done yet?
No.
Let me see how much snow you have.
Go.
Uh-oh, sorry, am I distracting you, C-Rex? See, guys, I'm supervising. I'm trying my best to help them, give them some good advice on how to clear snow. Come on, C-Rex, get moving.
I can see the roof.
Oh, well, you can go the other side. Yeah, there you go. It's easy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy, beautiful cover girl. Oh my gosh, it's right up to my,
I know.
my knees.
Wow.
Hug up, C-Rex. See? Take a picture, honey.
Clayban, look here. Purple. Hi, Clarissa.
I'm kind of wet now. Honey, go. It's okay. Come on, go to snow.
Oh,
I'm glad I got it on video.
look how deep it is.
Let's see. Oh, so you fell in a hole. Oh, gee.
See, look.
Whoa, that's crazy.
This is like how this morning and we're walking in the main road. Almost on my knee.
That's crazy. You know, put your foot in again. Let me take a pic. I'm glad. Oh my gosh, almost up to your knees.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
And I'm wearing my
Hey guys.
It's gonna get wet. See, it's wet.
That's okay. That's crazy. Alright guys. Have fun.
Can I wear my hat?
Where's your hat? Clayman, what are you gonna do with that boulder? Good job, Clay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and we're going to be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.